In this video, we'll show you what to do if mobile data is not working on your Samsung Galaxy phone. First, open the Settings app. Then tap Connections, and after that, tap Mobile Networks. In this menu, turn on Data Roaming. Also, make sure the network mode is set to the highest available option. If you see 5G/LTE/3G/2G Auto Connect on your device, go ahead and select that. Next, go to Access Point Names. Tap the three-dot menu in the top corner and select Reset to Default, then tap Reset to confirm. Now go back to the previous menu and select Network Operators. Turn off Select Automatically, wait for your Samsung phone to scan for nearby networks, then choose your network manually. Once that's done, restart your Samsung phone and check if mobile data is working. If it's still not working, open the Settings app again and go to Connections. Tap Data Usage, then make sure Data Saver is turned off. If it's enabled, go ahead and disable it. After that, tap Mobile Data Usage. Then tap the gear icon at the top and turn off Set Data Limit. This will stop your Samsung phone from turning off mobile data when you reach the monthly usage limit. If nothing else works, you may need to reset the mobile network settings on your phone. To do that, open the Settings app and scroll down to General Management. Then tap Reset, scroll down again and select Reset Mobile Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings and enter your lock screen passcode to continue. Once that's done, mobile data should start working again on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.